Hello everyone, this is Cody from basecamptrading.com. I just wanted to make a quick video here to go over the ES or the S&P futures ticker right here on the weekly chart. So we've been pushing lower these around this channel that we had over the last several months. Right, we kind of moved a little bit lower, but off this news we've had a couple good up bars. And so if we keep moving up, if we move up next week, right, we get back up to the, say, 7,077 area, right up here. If we do that, momentum will still be very divergent. So we could be making another top. So we'll have to see what happens. But it's still losing its upside movement here on momentum. So it either could go back into this range that we had from earlier this year, or maybe we'll put another top in, and then maybe we'll make another attempt lower. It's very news driven right now, so you got to keep an eye on the news. But I just want to make a quick video to give you what I'm thinking it might do next. But if you like this kind of analysis and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 month trial access, and you can get that from basecamptrading.com. Thank you, and have a nice day.